Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and I've got a few videos in the works, but they aren't quite ready to be released yet. So in the meantime, I do have a few packages, and it's been a while since we've done a mail call. So let's go ahead and do a mail call. To everyone who has sent stuff into the channel, thank you very much. You don't have to send anything in the channel to get a sticker. That's my policy. So if you just want a sticker, send me an email or drop me a letter. And if you feel inclined to donate to the channel, you can do so on whatever you feel is appropriate. But anyway, let's get into the packages. I'm excited to show you some of these. Our first package is from Edwards Hobbies, and I got this a while ago. And check this out. It's a random act of coinness. Hi, Enigma. This is Edwards Hobbies on YouTube. I was mailing a few letters to other YouTubers, so here are some coins for you. I saw one of your older videos that you like British coins, so here are some. I recently started collecting a 50p and 2-pound commemoratives. So I have some spare British coins. I have no idea if you already have these or collect this type of thing, but I wanted you to mail something. Thanks for all the great content. Keep up the great work. Sincerely, Edwards Hobbies. Edward, I do love British coins, and I don't have very many, so I absolutely will take these. So thank you very much for the random act of coinness. Love the play on words there. Let's see what he sent us. And yeah, I don't know a ton about British coins. I do know that they went to the decimalization a while back. These look like pre-decimal coins. And if I say anything wrong on these videos, just know that I am not an expert on British coins. Feel free to leave some knowledge in the comments below. Help me learn more about them. I would appreciate it. So first up, check this out, 1966. Let me get this in the camera. 1966, 2 shillings. Yeah, definitely pre-decimal. And that's going to be Queen Elizabeth II. I don't have this coin. I actually really like that design. Check that out. Very cool stuff. And then an old style 3 pence from 1943. And this is going to be King George VI, World War II coin. Check out that. Love the multifaceted shape. That is a thick coin. Also from 1943. A farthing, I believe is how you pronounce that, although I'm probably butchering it. And again, King George VI. And finally, a 6 pence from 1956. Queen Elizabeth II. Edwards Hobbies. These are 4 really awesome coins, none of which I have that denomination in my collection. So thank you very much for the kind gesture. And check out Edwards Hobbies on YouTube. Our next package is a giveaway that I won on my Silver Squad. Popped into his live stream, as we usually do after our live streams on Thursdays, and I was very fortunate enough to get a silver round on a win. So check this out. I forget what this is because it's already been over a month. Awesome Silver Squad sticker. This is going on my coin sorting machine. Silver Squad, thank you so much. Getting quite the collection there. And this is going to be a 1-ounce silver round, and now I remember it. Check this out. 3 nines, fine silver, 1 troy ounce from the Intaglio Mint. The Werewolf. That is so cool. I have really never seen a 1-ounce round with such raised details. I mean, that is probably the face, the claws, a couple of 1/16ths of an inch off of the surface of the coin. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but that is a really, really cool silver round. Silver Squad, thank you for the win, and I think I need to thank Silver Freisky for donating that round for the giveaway. Both of you, thank you very, very much. Check them out as well. Our next to last package is from Bullion Baby. He didn't tell me he was sending this to me. Just another random act of coinness, I think. ECC, keep on rocking, brother. Yeehaw, Bullion Baby. And it looks like Bullion Baby has a new channel sticker as well. Check him out, guys. That is a nice, nice channel sticker. And he taped a Merc dime to the back. Check this out. 21 out of 50 stickers, I believe, 1940. Bullion Baby, you don't have to do that. I appreciate it. Thank you, brother. Yeehaw! And our final package on this mail call is a trade that I worked out with Boston Baked Beans, or B3 as he's known on the channel. And he sent this quite a while ago, and I am very excited because this is going to upgrade a lot of stuff in my collection. Actually, it's going to fill a lot of holes in the collection. And as per usual, B3 goes over the top, sends more than he says he will, in a super kind and very generous gesture. Sorry, I am filming this late at night and I am pretty tired. Even sent a card. B3, you rock. ECC, always nice to do trade with you. I threw in a couple of album upgrades, or maybe good seconds. B3. So I have been working on my Walking Liberty albums. And I did work out a trade with B3, and I'll try to show you these as close as I can. I am getting some spots filled. This is a 1919 Denver, a 1916 obverse Minmark, and I believe that's the D. Yeah, which I don't have yet, as well as 1916 Philly, 1929 S, and the 1920 S as well. B3, 5 walkers. Thank you so much. And if I have those mint marks wrong, or if I misspoke on anything, you guys will let me know in the comments below. Now, you'll see that he also sent some extra goodies. Check this out. B3 going over the top. This is a S Silver Proof Quarter, California from 2005. It is silver. B3, way too cool of you. Way too generous of you. 2 silver dimes. 1963 P and D. Those are for sure going to be upgrades. Let me see if I get this a little bit closer to you. And then 2 pennies. 1970 S and 1965. And one more time, because I know some of you are going to want to see those walkers. And I'm pretty much just going to put these in the albums right now. And since this is a shorter mail call, let's just do it now together. You guys can see that I've made a lot of progress in my Walker albums this year. It was a priority for me, and I'm really happy with how it's been coming along. And it's people like B3 that have been helping me get there, doing trades with me, helping me fill those holes on some of those rarer, harder to find dates. Here we go. This is the 1916. I think that's the S now. I can't remember. You guys will let me know. And I always mix up obverse and reverse. Fun fact, if you ever hear me hesitate, or I don't like saying obverse and reverse because I'm always afraid that I'm going to get it reversed and flipped. So that's why I tend to avoid those words and terminology. This has got some cool toning. For 1916, that is phenomenal. So yeah, this is really exciting for me to work on these albums. Got my Walking Liberty album right here. You can see that this is the first one, and we are starting to get some good work done filling the holes. So first up, this is the 1916, and this is going to be the S obverse mint mark. They don't have that one there. Boom, spot filled. It's going to be the 1929 S. Let's see. Less than just about 500,000 there, minted. 2 million minted there. The 1920 S, 4.5 million, but I didn't have it. The 1916 Philadelphia, the first year Philly mint mark. The 1919 D. B3, thank you very much. We are making some mighty fine progress. Obviously, the 1921D is going to be the expensive purchase that I'm going to have to make at some point. But the rest of the ones we should be able to find, or purchase for relatively reasonable prices. But I know that 1921D is going to cost me. So I am starting to save up for that. hopefully we'll be able to get this album complete in the near future. That's about going to wrap things up for this video. To everyone who sent stuff in, did trades with me, thank you so very, very much. I appreciate your generosity. Remember, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to click subscribe and click that bell notification so that whenever I release new content, you get notified. If you got something to say, leave it in the comments below. I appreciate a thumbs up, and remember, it's always a mystery until you crack open those rolls, or packages in this case, and see what you got on the inside. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one. And B3, I did upgrade my pennies and my dimes. Thank you very, very much.